Hello, you guys. Welcome back to Hanna Watkins Glam Designs. I miss you guys so much, and I wanted to come on here really quickly and just share this video with you guys while you're at home. I know you probably have been wondering how I'm doing and if I'm okay. I am doing a whole lot better than I have been. I can't really talk long because my voice is somewhat weak right now. I've been dealing with terrible sore throat and stuff, and so I'm not gonna talk, but I do want you guys to know that I truly do miss you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you can just click that subscribe button for me, please, and watch any of my old videos would definitely help me out. I just appreciate you guys so much, and I want to apologize for being gone for so long, but so much has happened, so much has been going on, and I have been having to take care of myself with my health-wise. And anyway, you guys, this video is pretty much self-explanatory. All items were purchased from the Dollar Tree. Once we get off of this stay-at-home order or lockdown order, then you guys can go out to the Dollar Tree and probably find some of these items. But until then, I do not recommend you leaving your home to go look for any of this stuff. This video is just pretty much for entertainment, for you to just have something watch. Just watch me create something. I love you guys so much. I miss you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry I can't talk throughout the whole thing. My throat is killing me right now. Just don't forget to subscribe, thumbs it up, and share the video, you guys. I will see you guys again, hopefully really soon. Thank you so much, and watch to the end. Bye-bye.